Okay, Ray, I'll try and clear the cache and go through these tooltips and see how we go. Okay, so that's cleared. Close and refresh the page. And just wait for it to finish loading. Okay. So that looks fine. And it's coming back. That's good. I tried it just before and there was an issue. This time it seems to be fine. Let me just clear the cache one more time. Close, refresh. Okay, wait for it to load. Oh, well, it seems to be working. I tried it just before, and it was the tooltip was staying there, but it seems to be fine at the moment. So I'm happy with that. And so the click here down there, that's popped up, and I believe you got rid of that. But it's back. So if we could get rid of that, that would be good. All right, so I'll click back. Yep, no problem. A bit of a loading issue there. It's not very good. Oh, there we go. Looks like the tiles were just slow to load in. Okay. Yep, that's fine. Yeah, tiles are very slow at the moment. Oh, I know why. Well, most likely because I'm going through my mobile device at the moment. Get a zoom back out. Yep. Okay. So that's all fine. It's just the click here. Just try one more time and refresh, because I did see an issue previously. I'll just try it one more time. Okay, now it looks fine. So it's just that click here that's appearing. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.